6. Consumerism.
Something happened about 20 or 30 years ago and suddenly weddings started to become a huge industry. Incredibly wasteful. If you think about the flowers, what's actually growing locally and in the hedgerows is largely ignored for what can be bought, probably very cheaply, but from the other side of the planet. Dresses are just completely individual. There is very little I can do to influence anyone else's purchasing decisions other than say, have you thought about second hand?
You don't have to buy all this stuff off of the shelf. People wouldn't have done years ago. They'd have modified it and made it themselves. It wouldn't be probably the best looking thing, but at least it's yours, isn't it? It's nice to sell something like that to somebody who's going to use it and enjoy it, isn't it?
We don't want to just keep buying new things that maybe we don't necessarily need.
It actually makes shopping more interesting. I use second-hand shops for my clothes almost exclusively. Every now and again I buy new things. Underwear, I find it difficult to find second-hand, obviously. I have lots of conditions when I'm choosing things, and it does make things harder, and it sometimes makes things more expensive as well, but it definitely makes them more interesting.
I think we have started to forget that we're human sometimes. I think supermarket shopping, internet shopping has reduced the importance of human interaction in our lives and the satisfaction that we get from a simple conversation, the little moments of pleasure or emotional buzz that you get from somebody remembering you or remembering something about you.